Good day everyone, today I have some fantastic news for you all. Finally I'm gonna test drive the dt75 and then I'm gonna load it up on my Kamaz and take it home with me. Oh man, it looks so freaking fantastic! Let's test this thing! Finally I'm gonna see what this machine can do. I'm so excited, aren't you? Everything is up and running, now it's time to see what this thing can do. So good. And then, when I put the throttle down, this machine's really got some speed to it. So yeah, this is my plan now. I'm gonna build a ramp using this, so I can load it up on the Kamaz. Having so much fun driving around this. It's pushing the gravel like nothing. The only thing is hard is that the ground is frozen solid, so it's really hard to get the blade really down. It's a bit hard to get some traction on the tracks, but when I get it home I will make it a bit more heavier with some weights on it. After being pushing around the stones for a very good time, I kind of have to realize when this machine is really fantastic, but it has some issues, especially on rocks like this. I'm gonna be completely honest with you right now. I'm not using to drive track vehicles like this. And also some of these big rocks here is getting stuck in the tracks. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get some backup on this one. So off I go to find something other to make this ramp with. Big, like this. Well, let's take these old Kirovets here and see if that can help a bit with the ramp I'm trying to build. With this loader it should be no problems moving the rocks and making a good ramp as I want it to. Off and go! Let's see what this monster can do. And see, I did. This monster, it was no problems to move the rocks and make a perfect ramp for me to load up the dt75. And as the hours went by, the ramp got more and more finished. I was getting to feel really proud of this project. Soon I will get the ramp finished and get ready to load. The track vehicle have done a good start, but for this it was much easier with the loader to moving the rocks in place. It took a while, but as you can see behind me, the ramp is finally done. This should work perfectly. Let's take a look. Ah, yes, this will be perfectly. Look at it. Now I only need to get the Kamaz and back it up, and then I'm ready to load. That you will see in another video. So, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to see me, Boris. And hit that like button down in the corner. That would really be nice. Thank you and good night.